Yeah, I think we got the first part of it right, and full credit to the players today. Obviously, you know, our hearts go out to the Rebels with the news they got yesterday, and you know, full credit for the way they stepped up today at the start of the game and, you know, kept the pressure on us. But our players were good enough to hold on for the 19 all at half time, and we had a chance to show the fans what they mean to us, and what this competition means to us. And the boys were great in the second half. Yeah, it's fantastic.
Really, just the thoughts on the forwards battle today from the Rebels?
We knew Rebels gonna come and give everything. They have nothing to lose, so us as forwards, we know what we can do to dominate them. So we work as a pack to beat them around their weaknesses that we know.
Mick, what was the message at half time?
Oh, it's really just we came in at half time and we were feeling it, you know. The message was, well, if we're feeling it, we train in it, so it's time to go up, take it up a notch. And really, it's just take it up a notch and go and express themselves. You know, go and show yourselves how you play footy. But it was, you know, we did well just towards the end of that second half, and when we came in, there were some, you know, a lot of the players were sitting around sucking in some big breaths. Well, if you think about how you feel, we do this every day of the week here. Time to go, and full credit to them, they did.
Coach, Waganalana seems to be growing into his role. Any comments on that?
Yeah, look, he's a young player. I mean, he's still eligible for under 20, so you know, I think he's same as Izzy. You know, like we forget they're Super Rugby players, but they're still eligible under 20s, and you know, they're just learning about if they're good enough to be here. You know, I think, you know, you forget what it was like when you're a 20-year-old trying to find your way, and they keep coming up, keep getting up every Monday and coming in and getting better each week. And he's a good young player. He's a tough young player. He runs hard. He finished up a couple of good tries today. You know, it's not easy, the tries he scored today. He finished those well. So he's growing, and he'll be better for the season he's had. And next year he'll take another step.
There were a couple of late changes to the squad, Coach. Any of those serious, or were they?
No, just Samu woke up with like a throat infection and a sort of zapped of energy, and he made that call. And his knee he tried to get there, but in a short week it was hard. It was a tough, you know, we had a short week given that it was played Sunday, and it was thought best to, rather than rush him through a short week, give him another week and see how he goes. So full credit to Meli today. I thought when he came on, he was fantastic. He only found out at 10 o'clock this morning that he was playing, and yeah, he was fantastic when he came on. And all our bench when they came on did the job, but full credit to Meli, what he did today.
Simi, is he okay as well?
Yeah, he got an injury last week, and he tried to get through again in a short week. It's tough trying to come back in a short week, and it didn't come right as well.
What will be the focus now going into the playoffs?
Oh, well, we just get back and do what we do on Monday. You know, we know that we've been here last year. We know what quarterfinals are about. We know there's a big step up in intensity, and we'll be ready for that. But our week won't change, other than there'll be a lot of energy around to get our work done. We're coming off a good victory. I think the first thing is to get around our family and friends tonight and enjoy getting into the finals and what the victory today means, and regroup, recover tomorrow, and coming Monday and heads down, we'll see who we're playing. We're not sure who that'll be at the moment, and we'll get on and prepare for that.
Frank returned today to the field. How would you rate his performance?
Yeah, he was good. Like, Frank's Frank, you know, he's got a lot of energy. He's playing against a team that like to get under his skin, and you know, I thought he did well. he got a great turnover for us when they were on attack in that period of the game where they could have gone to 2 tries up. He got a great turnover and took a couple of good quick taps, read the game well, kept the tempo going, and that's the one thing you get from Frank. You get a high energy game, and we got that again from him today, which was good.
Just the last one from me. We did not win any away games in quarterfinals and away quarterfinal. What's the challenge like?
Oh, well, you know, it's a big challenge for us. And last year we played the Crusaders and we'd beaten them during the year, and we went down to their home ground, and you know, we know that it's going to be quarter-final intensity. We're ready for that though. You know, we learnt from last year. The teams will step up, and we're going to be ready to step up. So it's a big challenge. When you finish 7th or 8th in the competition, you're playing 1 or 2. So you're playing someone from the best 2 sides. So that's the challenge, you know. So you got to beat a favourite for the tournament in your quarter-final. That's a big challenge. But I know our guys will turn up on Monday and they'll be excited by that challenge, and they'll get themselves fully prepared for it.
And Meli, your comments on that?
Yeah, I think we've learned a lot from the last quarterfinal, and we know what it's like to be playing in the quarterfinal and playing away game. We as a team, as a players, always kept reminding us of what we could do to win away games, and we've been working hard for that. Never mind what's the outcome, but we'll come back and regroup in order to get that win and play again in the semis. But our main focus is to enjoy today. When we come on Monday, and it's another step ahead for us.
And maybe still have a job to do next week, but it's probably one of the last times we've been walking around Churchill Park. So message to the Fijian fans and to Lautoka, everyone who supported us and yourself throughout the past 3 years.
Fantastic, and you know, it's been a pleasure and one of the most grateful jobs I've ever had. You know, to be here and listen to our fans and watch our fans. And I remember when we had our first victory last year, the joyous, you know, I said I'd never use that word in rugby, but in Fiji it's the joy that's here. It's a great learning, and you know, it's a shame that it's at the end of the career that you learn so much about the game by being here, and the fans are awesome. So you know, this team is improving every week, and they love playing in front of the fans here.
Meli, you'll be on the road, the team will be on the road a lot now. Your words to Mick as he finishes up, maybe for the last time in Lautoka and Fiji.
Coach Mick, on behalf of the boys, and I especially, it was an honor and a privilege for us to be guarded under your wings. You've taught us many things that how to become professional, and we would carry that along the way. But like we always say, you may go out of the Drua, but here's Drua as your home. Whenever you come around, feel free. The doors will be still open to you to come out and see your boys that have grown into men and to pursue their dreams that have come true. Thank you very much once again. We go again next week.
Fijian to the fans, thank you for the season.
Oi, kami na dani beto koni na kakalevu na bukuni tokon sumanum ni matatsim ni Drua. Dina lembeka kana numni nanuma na bukuni chimi kana dangitoritu. Iya kami babina bina kana numnindo tokon sumana matachimongo biban wa kete kami gito kina pambibi enananta panua Lautoka keisuba ni dongkai me valeu levu kami utarang na bina kango me babina bina kakina bekemuni dina simberni dapat choni tabi total lang gito na madamengo ki mami sakerato numni bimasulaki kina numni bitoko ni na bukuni makapakara no katafaino na valeu.
Okay.